Chevron stein in hand mit Tully Fried from Ammoyisroel. The young man took it upon himself to open up a heimische course, how to use firearms, train people about firearms, and Tully, kol hakavod, let's jump into it. What do you got? Let's tell the oilum.
So in order to get a firearm, you need to take, in New York State, you need to take a course before you get approved for a carry license. In the beginning, it was very difficult to get courses. First of all, for Yiddish speakers, it was extremely difficult as there were no Yiddish-speaking instructors. And even non-Yiddish speakers had an issue with the schedule, with the time, with understanding of the heimische lifestyle. It wasn't really, didn't really work out well. So I launched my company to train the oilam and to also be accommodating for the heimische lifestyle.
Wow, kol hakavod. So you already trained hundreds of people. I heard from people amazing feedback about your course. So legally, you need an 18-hour course to get a firearm, and that's what you provide.
Correct.
With a lot more. You do a lot more.
Many more trainings as well. Even after you get the firearm, you still want to continue your training to become a better shooter, a more responsible shooter, to be able to do more. The course is just the legal requirement. It's the minimum. It's the basic. But you really want to take it a lot further than that.
Wow. So I see you have some nice guns over here. So you teach people about guns, help them buy the guns, and do this full training course. It's a very, very cool. One of the questions I'm going to ask you, I got a lot of feedback. I did a video a couple of days ago with David Shore. He helps you with applications for guns. And I got a lot of feedback of parents saying they're a little nervous. They want to get one. It's the right thing to do. You have to protect your family, protect your community, but he's a father with 10 kids at home. How is it safe? How do you feel safe having a gun when you're among your family and all that?
So the truth is, this is part of the course. We address this, but it's really an important thing that really everyone should know. The first rule about safety. Safety is the most important thing. It's the biggest concern. This is a dummy firearm we use in our class. And the 3 rules of gun safety are always keep the firearm in a safe direction. That means the front of the gun is always facing not where people are. Mm-hmm. So in this case, this wall is our safe direction. The gun will always stay in safe direction no matter what we do with it. Whichever way we turn it, the front is always, or the muzzle is always safe direction. The rule of gun safety is finger is always off the trigger. So as you see, this is the trigger. This is the way you would shoot, but when you're not shooting, you're not just not pressing the trigger or squeezing the trigger, you're not even shadowing the trigger.
Got it.
We're away from the trigger in Gansen. That's the second rule of gun safety. The third rule of gun safety is you keep it unloaded and ready to shoot. As you see here in the guns over here, they're all empty, they're all locked back. You can see there's flag chambers showing that they're safe. Each one is empty and unloaded because we're not shooting.
Got it.
As far as children, it's just as any other tool, just as you wouldn't give your children lighters, saws, cars, or other things. You have to keep it protected, you keep it safe.
So you're saying it's either always in a safe or on you?
It's on you or in a safe. There's nothing in between. There's other safety mechanisms, obviously different to our lifestyle specifically. You put them on, well, they really go behind, but and this locks it, that no one can access the trigger. There's chamber locks. I see there's many different options to keep the gun safe. You have to take it upon yourself and be responsible, but it's definitely possible with plenty of children. It's not a hindrance.
So it's not a hindrance, and that's part of your course is how to keep it safe for the heimische families, which we have a lot of kids at home and all that. Let me ask you another question, Tully. How many people in our community would you say carry guns?
It's a very difficult question to answer. I don't know everyone, and that's obviously a good thing because we want concealed carry, but Baruch Hashem, it's growing more and more every single day.
Wow, so you're saying the oilam is really getting normalized to owning guns. It's becoming a normal thing, and that's the way it should be. It's a mitzvah to keep yourself safety and keep your family safe.
Yeah, Baruch Hashem, we live in Medina Shel Chesed. We have that option. It wasn't always an option, especially in New York, but we have that option, and we can keep it safe, and there's no reason to deprive yourself of such a tool.
Exactly. When is your next course?
So running our next course, September 10th.
September 10th, Chevron. If you're thinking of getting a firearm, next course is September 10th. Next, jump on the wagon and start your process, because the course is the beginning of the process in getting a gun. Until you're going to take the guy through the course, through the process, till he actually gets the gun. You help him purchase the gun. Even has a gemach of holsters, Tully, right?
Correct.
A holster gemach. So everything up until the holster, he'll guard you through it, help you through it. Tully, kol hakavod. Let me ask you if you're going to give a Perlowitz promotion for the oilam.
We'll do, anyone that signs up for this class, mentions the Perlowitz show, we'll do $50 off. And if you're going to join with any of the other packages, we can up that a little bit.
Chavre, you heard that? 50 and even maybe up for the course if you mention the Perlowitz show when you join the course. So Chavre, what is the phone number to join the course?
Our phone number, WhatsApp text is 678-829-8996.
I'm going to put it on the screen, Chavre.
Or you can email ammoyisroel@gmail.com.
Chavre, if you have any questions about the course or any questions about getting a gun, Tully's the guy, Ammoyisroel. Message him, call him, text, email. Chavre, this is just amazing. I spent time here with Tully and it's just a fun geschmacka course. Learn about the guns, learn about getting a gun, learn about self-defense, about protecting yourself, and all about being a good shooter and a good Jew.
Yes.
Tully, have a great day. Thank you so much for doing this for the Klal.